morning everyone, I am Teacher Ricky and this is the video lesson of Mathematics 5 Quarter 2 Week 1. Our learning competencies at the end of the lesson you should be able to give the place value and the value of a digits of a given decimal number through 10,000s, read and write decimal numbers through 10,000s, and round decimal numbers to the nearest hundreds and thousands. So let's proceed now to our lesson 1. Our lesson 1 is gives the place value and the value of a digits of a given decimal number through 10,000s. So we have here questions. The question is how to determine the place value and the value of a given digits. Do you have any idea? So I have here example 0.7698. So this is a decimal numbers. So do you have any idea of the place value of its digit and also the value? Well, let's start with 0. Remember that 0 is a whole number. So what is the place value of 0? Do you have any idea? The correct answer is ones. If you have the correct answer, then celebrate yourself because your answer is correct. The place value of 0 is ones and the value is 0. Next, 7. Remember that a decimal before the number, the digit will be tens. So you are correct if your answer is tens. So a number before decimal or after decimal is tens. So 7, the place value of 7 is tens. So how will you read that one? 7 tenths. So you can read that one or you can write that one 7 tenths. Next, number 6. What is the place value of number 6? Do you have any idea? So 0 is ones, 7 is tenths, then 6 is hundreds. You are correct. The number 6, the place value of number 6 is hundreds. And you can read that as 6 hundreds. You got it right. Next is number 9. The place value of number 9 is thousands. Okay, and the value is 9 thousands. That is correct. Next, number 8. What is the place value of number 8? The correct answer is 10 thousands. 0 is ones, 7 is tens, 6 is hundreds, 9 is thousands, and 8 is 10,000s. And the value is 80,000. If you have that correct answer, then you are all excellent. Now, let's proceed to another example. Give the value and the place value of digit 8 in each number. Number 1, 98.6751. Remember that 9 and 8 are whole number. So what is the place value of digit 8? Do you have any idea? So the place value is ones. You got it right. The place value of number 8 is ones. And what is the value? Of course, the value is 8 because that is ones. You got it right. Next, number 2, 4.8275. Now, do you have any idea of what is the place value of number 8? So number 8 is right after the decimal. So 8 becomes tenths. Very good. And the value of 8 now is 80. Okay, so that is correct. Now, let's proceed to number 3. 475.0278. So, what is the place value of 8? Remember that you need to go directly or you need to identify the decimal numbers or the numbers right after the decimals. So the place value of 8 now is 10,000. Okay, so that is correct. How about the value? What is the value of 8 now? Okay, so the value is 80,000. You got it right. Okay, so number 4, 45.8027. What is the place value of 8? Now, do you have any idea? Do you have answer? Very good. The place value is hundreds. Okay, so how about the value? What is the value? Okay, so the value is 8 hundredths. Okay, so you got it right. Next, we have number 5, 35.9382. So what is the place value of 8 in number 5? Do you have any idea? So the place value of 8 is thousands because 9 is tens, 3 is hundreds, and 8 is thousands. So the value is 8,000. Okay, so the value is 8,000. Okay, so that is how to write or read the value. Now, let's proceed to lesson number 2. We have here the given 1.4, 0.14, 0.143, and 0.1435. Now, let's find out what is the highest place value and how it is read. Okay, so let's start with the given number 1. The highest place value is, do you have any idea? Do you have answers? So you can write it in your notebook. Okay, so the highest place value is tens, and it is read as 1 and 4 tenths. That is right. 1 and 4 tenths. Because 1 is a whole number and is the decimal and 4 is tenths. So 1 and 4 tenths. Did you understand? Okay, so next we have here given number 2, 0.14. So the highest place value of 0.14 is, what is your answer? You can take down in your notes your answer. And then if your answer is hundreds, then you are right. You are correct. So bravo to those who got the correct answer. Because for 14, the highest place value of given number 2 is hundreds and read as 14 hundredths. Disregard 0 and the decimal. So 14 hundredths. Next, 0.143. The highest place value is thousands. So how will you read that one? So 143 thousands. Okay, so disregard 0. So that is 143 thousands. Okay, so next is 0.1435. What is the highest place value of 0.1435? The correct answer is 10 thousands. If your answer is 10 thousands, then you are perfect. Okay, so how will you read that one? So 1,435 10 thousands. So that is the correct way of reading that. Next example, read and write the given numbers. You can get your notebook and then write your answer. Okay, so number 1 is 2.5. That is 2 and 5 tenths. That is the correct answer. 2 and 5 tenths. Number 2, 24.56. So you will write the number 24 and the decimal will be and, you will write and to the decimal 56 hundredths because 5 is tenths and 6 is hundredths. 24 and 56 hundredths. Next, number 9, 9.236. So you will write that one as 9 and the decimal is and 236 thousandths. Okay, so Let's proceed now. I know that you know everything about reading and writing whole number or decimal numbers. Now, let's proceed to lesson 3, round decimal numbers to the nearest hundreds and thousands. Okay, so this lesson, the last lesson is we have steps in rounding decimal numbers. First, you must determine the place value of the underlying digits. Second, look at the digit and it's right. If, if it's less than 5, then you will round down. If it is 5 or more than 5, then round up. Remember, less than 5, round down. If it is 5 and more than 5, round up. Okay? So example, round the given number to its underlying digits. Number 1, 0.678. The underlying digit is 7. Now, what is the right number or the number after 7? That is number 8. So 8 is 5 and above. So you need to round up. Okay? So in rounding up, number 7 is hundreds. Remember that one. So in rounding up, so you need to add 1 to 7, so it will become 8, and 8 will become 0, because that is rounding the digit 7. So the answer is 0.680 instead of 78. Okay, number 2, 6.346. Okay, the underlying digit is 3, and 3 belongs to a place value which is tenths. So, next to number 3, the underlying digit 3 is 4. The right number is 4. So, 4 is below or less 5. So, you need to round down. So, 3 will remain 3, and 4 and 6 will become 0. So, the correct answer is 6.300. Number 3, 31.8465. Okay, so the underlying digit is 6, and 6, the place value of 6 is, what is the place value of 6? Do you have any answer? Okay, so the correct answer is, what is the correct answer? Thousands. You got it right. So 6 is, the place value of underlying word 6 is thousands. So 5 is the right number of 6. So you need to round up. So 31.8470. 6 will be added 1, so it will become 7. And then 5 will become 0. Rounding up. So that is how to round the given number or round the decimal numbers. Okay, number 4, 41.8495. So the underlying digit is 8. So 8, what is the place value of 8? Do you have any idea? What is the place value of 8? Okay, so thanks. So now, 4 is the right number of 8. So you need to round down. Okay, so 41.8000495 will become 0. Okay, number 5, 7.8495. So the underlying digit is 9. So 9, what is the place value of 9? That is thousands. Do you have the correct answer? Okay, so the place value of 9 is thousands. So the right number or the number after 9 is 5. So you need to round up. Okay, so the correct answer is 7.8500, because 9 will be added once, it will become 10, and 5 will become 0. So the answer is 7.8500. Okay, so reminders for your assessment, kindly open page 4, 6, and 7. Good luck, everyone. I hope you understand everything that we tackled today. Thank you so much.